Next one, identify the correct mirror image of the given figure along with the x-axis. What should the figure become after mirroring? The L must invert, okay. Then this particular hatch comes here and this line comes here. This is what you should ideally be getting. So option number 1 can be correct, option number 2 cannot be correct because this particular area is not hatched. Any triangle or any portion within the L shape is not hatched, okay. It's the middle part that is hatched. So option number 2 cannot be correct. Option number 4 also cannot be correct because this diagonal line that you are able to observe, it's not in the top portion, it's in the bottom portion. So option number 4 can also not be correct. Option number 3 again can be correct. Okay, now a very important thing over here. Option number 1 and option number 3 both look alike, doesn't it? Okay, so now both of them cannot be correct. This is not a MSQ kind of a question. In JEE you get MCQ kind of question where only one answer is correct. Okay, now what is the trick? Why are we able to see option 1 and 3 both as the same? You have to observe each and every element very carefully. Now if the question is very easy, many a times they ask you something which has minor thing you have to observe in that to identify the correct answer. Okay, now if you look closely into this, first thing you will observe is the hatches or the lines of the hatch are not equally placed. What does this mean? The gap between these hatch lines are not equal. So are you able to observe any you can say dissimilarity in this? Yes. If you look closely, the line or the hatch that is exactly in the middle, that is touching this particular point. Okay, in that what you are able to see is the next line has more gap. Okay, so next line towards the top, if you look at the original image, you will see that the middle line and the top line has more width in between. Okay, and here if you observe carefully, the gap is there. Okay, the gap is there, but in option number 1 the gap is correct, which is between the gap is more between the middle line and the line above it, whereas in option number 3 the middle line and the bottom line has more width, or there is more gap in between the middle line and the bottom line. Okay, this is one difference that is there between option number 1 and option number 3, and based on what originally has been given to you, option 1 should be correct. Okay, another point of observation, this line is bold in option number 3 but is correct in option number 1 as per the original image being given to you. So among 1 and 3, option number 1 should be correct.